People will build like something small and just live in somebody else's yard, that kind of thing. It's very like,
well, there's only so much land, but the problem is the land where that fire hit was very valuable.
Oh yeah, it's like this perfect like slope heading looking down at the ocean.
What I would be fearful of, and if I was someone that was working in the government that wanted to protect people from being victimized, I would say, hey, let's make sure that this land doesn't get snatched up. Right. Let's make sure that these people get their land back.
That'd be the first thing I would say.
Like if they all want to sell out to a resort and they make a decision on their own, that's one thing. But if they get hit with a wildfire and then all of a sudden it takes forever for them to rebuild, they don't have the finances to rebuild.